41.
Why? Question. Why did you arrive late? Because. Answer. Because no taxi was free. Exceptions. Why in affirmative sentences? To express an action reason. I don't know why he arrived late. To introduce a relative clause. The reason why he arrived late is not clear. Reported speech. Example after said, asked, want to know, wonder, can remember. I asked him why he had arrived late. Expressions. That's why I arrived late.
Tip 41. Exercise.
Answer. Why did John arrive late? Because he walked very slowly. Why did John cook so well? Because he had studied at Culinary Institute, Barcelona. Why is she feeling better? Because she is walking 1 hour every day. Why has she worked there? Because it is a very good company. Why do you wonder about? Because I wonder about everything.